2012 Premium Broadway. First off, we've got the black ODI long necks, super soft. I like them. They have a lot of grip. They're nice. Then I have the stolen Vortex bar ends. Had them for a couple days. They're pretty nice. Same side, same stuff. For the bars, I have the stock premium bars. I don't like them. They bend pretty easy if you fall or bail or something. But other than that, I guess they're alright. And I just got a Demolition V2 stem today. I've ridden it a couple times. It's pretty good. And then for the headset, I've got a Demolition purple headset. It spins really fast. I like it. For the front tire, I've got a Premium Refuse Resist. I like it. It has a lot of grip. And then an Alienation Deviant front rim. It's warped a little, but that's what happens on most rims. And that's pretty good. And then I've got Shadow Conspiracy pegs. I like them. Pretty good. Then we've got the Cult Sect V2 forks. Stickers aren't that good because they peel off, but other than that, I like how they ride. Got the Premium Broadway frame. It's a nice frame. Then for the cranks, they're stock premium cranks with stolen Thermalite pedals. I like the pedals, they have a lot of grip. Same peg shadow. Back is an Alienation sheep rim with an Odyssey Path tire. A lot of grip. It's brand new. I like it. And then I've got a Premium logo printed fat seat. A lot of cushion. I like it. Then for the other side, KMC full link chain. I like it. It rides real nice. And an Eastern Medusa sprocket, 25 tooth. I just got that today too. I like how it rides so far. Breaking it in. That's it. Oh yeah, here's a little hub sound.